You are on a Mac and you want AE to work automatically too? Absolutely, and it is simpler than the Windows setup. No path translation to fiddle with. Your terminal and Adobe live on the same machine, running natively. This episode, we start from a clean Mac and set up the whole environment, up to the Adobe Bridge being ready. For what the workflow itself looks like, watch the full demo in my WSL episode. It is identical on Mac. First, get the base tools in place, starting by checking your system. Top left Apple menu, about this Mac, macOS 12 or above is fine. Intel or Apple Silicon both work, and note your chip type. Then install the Xcode command line tools, one command. The build tools and Git both come from it. If the install dialog does not show up, check your dock for a flashing icon. Then install Homebrew, the most common package manager on Mac. It will ask for your login password. Nothing shows on screen while you type. That is normal. If you see a version warning, it will not affect the install. Just press enter to continue. After install, configure the environment so your terminal can find it. The command depends on your chip. Once that is done, check your built-in bash version in the terminal. See, the output says 3.257, a relic from 2007. Apple keeps it stuck here for licensing reasons, but many scripts need bash 5 syntax. So install a new one with Homebrew. Once installed, verify with the full path. The command differs by chip type. Version 5 or above, good to go. Finally install UV, the only Python package manager we use. Reopen the terminal and verify UV and Git. Git came from the Xcode tools earlier. Versions all check out, and the base is ready. Now get the project code. Subscribers download the archive from the member group, put it in a fixed folder like repos, and unzip it there. Mac paths are clean, none of that Windows drive letter prefix. Go into the project directory, and the files are there. Then a single UV sync, it reads the config itself, and installs the Python version and dependencies all at once. When it is done, verify the virtual environment. The version matches, and you are set. With the base and the code ready, next open the project in VS Code. If you do not have it, install it with one Homebrew command. First copy an env template in the terminal. Then in the project directory type code and a dot, and the whole project opens in VS Code. Then open it from the file tree on the left. What you fill in is the project root and the media root. On Mac, these are native paths under users. The project is already open in VS Code. Next install the extensions. The project ships an extension sync script. Run it in the integrated terminal. It installs the recommended extensions all at once, no hunting one by one, and the dev environment is set up. While it installs, you may see a few prompts, like rough saying the Python extension is missing, or a suggestion to install Pylons. That is just the extensions still installing before their dependencies are in place. So ignore them. Once it finishes, restart the terminal and they are gone. The Python extension also opens a welcome tab on its own. Just close it. Now to the Adobe side, if you do not have After Effects, install it through Creative Cloud. Once installed, one required step, enable CEP debug mode. Our bridge extension is unsigned, and by default, Adobe will not load it. Run this script in the project. It flips a switch so Adobe allows our own extension to load. The script takes care of all the settings for you, no commands to remember. Skip this step, and the bridge will not connect later. With the environment in place, the bridge connects. Restarting AE and running one command to build an effect on the spot work exactly like the WSL version, so I will not repeat them here. Follow my WSL episode for the full flow. To make it faster, you can add Claude Code with MCP as an accelerator. Install steps in the description, not required, but strongly recommended. A quick run through the checklist, base tools, project code, dependencies, env config, Adobe Bridge, all green, and the Mac environment is deployed. If you want this full, reusable, continuously updated workflow, the entry is in the 2D membership in the description. If this helped you, hit like and follow. See you next episode.